What's going on, guys? So it's actually Thursday, June 16th now, so we're approaching the end of the week. Been a pretty productive week. Honestly, we really haven't locked up anything, so I'd just rather be honest with you guys. We're still getting used to the market shifting. To give you reference, a lot of my guys are trying to lock things up a little bit lower, which obviously are getting more and more pushback from homeowners, something they've never really, obviously they get it a lot, but not to this extent. So we're still working on our sales skills, still doing the morning meetings. We actually have been doing texting this week. We've gotten a couple leads from that, and next week we're going to be bringing on a full-time VA to do that. So, but for now, I've been doing that. PPC's actually been going really well. We've gotten a bunch of leads from that this week. Some great follow-ups, which honestly, that's what we expected, to have really good qualified leads coming from that. I think we're spending anywhere, I think it's between $5,000 and $6,000 a month, and probably by the first deal, we're probably going to go up to $10,000 a month because I believe in that concept so well. But other than business, I mean, this week's been pretty cool. Yesterday we had, I was out on the golf course a little bit. Today we actually have a mini tournament as well. And so I'm going to be bringing a little bit more of that content to you guys as well on this channel. Just more about my personal life, things I actually enjoy doing outside of work. I know probably a bunch of you play golf, just being in the business space yourself. But if you guys have any thoughts about it, anything you'd like to see, don't forget to let me know. But I got to head back. I'm still doing texting. I got some texts to send out, some calls to make, but I'll see you guys in a little bit. Yo.
Did you win?
Fucking no, dude.
What did you shoot?
I played so bad. I was so embarrassed yesterday.
What's the yardage you normally play from?
That's 6,700, 6,800.
Oh, not much less.
Yeah, and then this one played.
That's still a hard ass course. They just lengthened it a little bit.
Yeah, and then but the problem is that course was created for the back, for the black tees in the back to always be, what's the best way of putting it? Like the bunkers that were placed, you are meant to hit in them from the back if you don't hit the fairway. And
yeah, like you're not hitting over them.
No, like unless you're like carrying it like 310, you're not pushing it. And so it punishes you so badly. And so I just couldn't convert anything. And yesterday I missed like 2 1.5 foot putt. It was just like one of those days. I was like, damn, dude, like I was just in my head, and I ended up getting 6th, so it was all right. It's not too bad, but
that's not bad. That's pretty good.
Yeah. So. But
yeah, that sucks. That's tough. You want to play really well and like that.
It's just frustrating because the guy who won shot over 2 days. He shot 14 over. So if I just shot a 79 2 days in a row, I win. It's like, bro, it's so easy. I was like,
yeah, at least now you know it's not super low, though, because that was probably in your head as well, thinking you got to go super low, and then you make a little mistake and you think you're way off then.
Yeah.
But really, it's just like an average day for you. You know what I mean? 2 pretty average days. Just play a little better from those back tees.
It's just so dumb how I tried to treat it like a tournament when I needed to treat it like a round, like just a normal round. And so you just add that extra pressure for no reason, and I was like,
big time.
And so now I was so mad. I was like, yesterday, I was like, there's no way I have to wait a year to do this shit again. I was like, there ain't no freaking way I gotta wait that long. So, and this is like the last tournament for until we do like a match play thing in September, because it's so hot that they don't want to do tournaments like peak summer season.
They take 3 months off of it? Oh my god, I would cry.
Yeah, so they have like these socials.
It's not that bad though, because you know everybody, and you're still going to do like men's league shit where you go and play with like groups of 8 to 12 people. So. Exactly,
and so I think there's like a men's social for like the next 8 weeks every Wednesday night. So there's stuff, but it's just, this was like the last like Big Daddy tournament, like solo gross score type thing, and I was pretty pissed, but that's what it is. So, but it's like the guy who won it's won it 4 out of the last 5 years. Like, he's just a stick, though. He's a Well, to give you a perspective,
He's not that good. If he's shooting 14 over, you can come in next year, dude. You'd be scratched by that time. You shoot fucking 75, 74.
Give you a perspective, he's a plus .2 handicap. So that'll tell you something about how I feel like it just played really hard. But
oh my god, yeah.
Yeah, and so he's like 58 or 60 years old. Like, he's so good for how old he is. But I was so mad. I just kept boot looping, and I even tried to enter BIOS, and it wouldn't. So we can't figure it out, and so.
Like a blue screen pops up and it says automatic repair or something like that?
No, something like the Acer logo pops up for about a second, and then it just turns off itself and turns back on. I had a picture at one point. It was like saying like this. I don't know. This is like when I got it to like pause for a second, but it said flash update failed, flash image invalid or not found, and then it just reset every time. I was like, dang. I couldn't figure it out. I mean, we were just using it like the day before for like the third time, and it was.
Northern County, North Kansas. Go back to all the things at once. Make sure we count that.
Once we drove all the way here, that'd be our luck.
How long ago did you say you bought it? Like a couple months ago?
Yeah, and we really never even used it, to be honest. But and I tried to like shut it off, and it couldn't. It just kept booting up, and I was like, okay.
Probably a bad CPU.
And so, like, you don't see much of that on YouTube. You see it all on like his Instagram, where it's all about the impressions. And people look at more of your personality.
I think you have a really good personality for blogging. That's how you get people
So
interested.
you're saying I don't have a good personality?
I'm not. I don't want to say it. You just have to be more outgoing. Like, you have to have a good personality for people to get interested
But
in watching
I know how to
you.
talk in front of a camera and engage somebody. I just don't do enough things.
That's the point. That's what I'm saying. Nobody wants
So you're saying I should do what I'm doing right now, but integrate golf into it?
How?
Because I'm already doing the real estate thing.
See, I don't know if you should integrate golf, like do 2 separate videos, or figure out a way to integrate it in one video, or like maybe do like interviews while you're golfing. I don't know. I really don't know. But there's definitely a way that you can do it, and you'd be perfect. Like, your personality would be perfect for like golf, because you're not like jumping all over the place, like being all loud and shit. Like, it's perfect for golf. And
Well, I can make golf somewhat comical too.
You gonna get a tattoo now? Or
Wait for a couple people to get on, we'll spin the wheel.
you gonna get what?
Insta Live, baby. How do you know? Golf channel's on. Oh. Let's see what we got here. Oh, 25 cash, we got 50 cash, 1%, big boy one,
They call me the
Top Golf.
Tiger Woods of my
What's
generation.
good, Isaiah? We got $1 push up. I think you do pretty well here. I see you at the gym. Lunch on Kish. Try again. This is my favorite one. Loses. I'm just kidding. Micro Center, $50. I think a couple of them repeat. So.
Okay.
got them on here.
Yes, sir.
Virtual team, baby.
Alright, so we're doing spins.
Doing the spins.
Yeah, who wants to go first?
You can do me.
So 3, right?
Turn it up.
Oh, let's see.
Who's got how many?
Victor's got 3, and then Devin's got how many?
I don't know, bro. I don't know when the last time this one was.
I think it was 2 from one from last month and then one from this month. So then I have
Big
1.
rig going. Whose is this?
This is Victor's.
Lose spin. I'm just kidding.
Lunch and Kish.
I owe you. You gotta come out here now.
Hey.
I gotta optimize this wheel for virtual. It's not very optimized.
Let's see it.
Alright.
I'm trying to get you the one for. Alright, you got 2 lunches.
Spin it again. That one
Alright,
doesn't.
alright.
Yeah, you need to know.
Alright, 2 spins still.
Spin it the other way next one.
Alright, I got you.
Alright,
25.
cash.
Alright.
It wanted to go to the lunch on Kish, so.
Yeah, I know.
Oh. I think I spun it the wrong way. 75.
75. Nice little
Alright,
hundo plus
alright,
lunch.
Devin. I know you got the worst luck of us all, but
Yeah, Devin really does have
I
the
got
worst
you.
luck.
I got you.
Got one thing from this
I got you.
man. I'm gonna be so
Oh, you got top golf.
Okay, see, it's not.
Oh.
Okay, it changed.
teetered back to 75.
That's probably more
Yes,
optimized
sir.
for you anyway. Alright.
All right. All right, you got one more, right? I think you have one from last
Yeah.
time. Bro, knowing me, I'm gonna get to lose this game.
I think they've all got it but you.
Oh.
Okay, we can't.
Spin that one.
Wait.
If it's
Okay, I gotta redo it. Do another one.
All right.
Can't do the top golf. I'll change it. Even though that'd be sick.
I can do virtually top golf, huh?
We all just hit top golf at 2 different locations.
All right, I got you
50 bucks cash. Alright.
All right, my turn.
Raking in the dough.
My turn.
Now you're spinning that thing hard.
You gotta spin it hard. Oh, don't give me a Lucas spin.
Might come back. Okay,
Oh,
75 cash.
Nice.
Alright.
Let's do it.
We good?
Yeah.
Alright. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See ya.